Asher doing a snow.
You're not doing your legs properly.
Do your legs more. Together, bring them together. That's it.
That's it. Now, get off. This Asher's snow angel. Get off, Asher.
How?
Your neck. 1, 2, 3. Look at her.
Mummy, you're a bit snowy.
Push me into the snow.
No.
Let me see the snow angel.
Push me into the snow.
It does look like an angel.
Proper angel.
Yeah.